Hello, in this video we will see how to access the uploaded files sent to your application by the client. To do that, let's create a new route to receive the user information and, let's say, some uploaded file or files. We're going to define new controller since we already have the setup capable of that, user store controller. Let's initiate this class. Here we go, and similar to the default controller, we are going to rely on the invoke method. As request, we're going to receive server request interface, and we expect to produce a response interface in return from this method. Okay. Similar to the default controller, we are going to respond back. Let's fix this typo. We're going to respond back in a JSON format with 200 status code. JSON encode, that's going to be our array. So in the body, let's put all the parsed post data, typically form fields, and in uploaded files we can call request get uploaded files. This is the default kind of functionality of PSR7 format, so you can copy this file, you can store them, but we are demonstrating here that when you send files, they're actually being sent to you. So it's fairly easy to upload files with RoadRunner. Let's start our server. And this time we're going to upload information using Postman, not our browser. So here we go. This is our URL. You can see some fields in form, and you can see attached file named avatar. And as you can see, this file was successfully sent to our backend. Here we go. That's how you can upload file to the RoadRunner application.